Hey traders, Mike here. A number of years ago, a friend of mine told me that he sports bets for a living, and I was quite intrigued by what he did. So I went over to his house and he showed me how he analyzed the teams, players, and the odds. And in many ways, it was exactly how I, as a trader, would approach trading. So in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the world of sports betting and share with you how you can leverage the trading skills that you already have and apply them successfully to sports betting. Now make sure you stay till the end, as I'm going to share with you 2 sports betting strategies that you can implement right away and make money. Now, just a disclaimer that sports betting is risky and I'm in no way endorsing sports betting. So let's get started. Now, for those who aren't familiar with the sports betting industry, it's a dynamic sector that allows individuals to wager on the outcomes of various sporting events, whether it's a Super Bowl, World Cup, or any sporting event. Now, it involves predicting the results of games, matches, or even individual player stats from various sports such as football, hockey, soccer, and baseball. Now, to give you an idea of the size of the global sports betting industry, it was last valued to be over $80 billion and growing at a compounded annual growth rate of over 10.3%. Now, in the US alone, it is the fastest growing sector, with sports betting now considered legal in 36 US states. And the legalization of sports betting in various regions around the world, coupled with the rise of online betting platforms and mobile apps from popular sportsbooks such as FanDuel, DraftKings, or Vegas casinos like MGM, Caesars, which run their own online sites, have contributed to the industry's huge expansion. Now, with sports betting, it combines the thrill of watching your favorite team play while also potentially getting financial rewards, making it an engaging form of entertainment and, for some, a profitable side hustle or even a career. In fact, I have friends who make a side or full-time income from sports betting, and when they showed me how they analyzed their sports bets, I realized how sports betting was very similar to trading. Now, before I show you how you can apply the same trading skills or tools that you have to sports betting, I want to quickly tell you about OddsJam. OddsJam is the premier sports betting software available. With over 205 sportsbooks and real-time data feeds, OddsJam is able to identify inefficiencies in the market that you, the user, can exploit. OddsJam makes you a profitable sports bettor by using the same techniques that investors and traders use to beat the stock market. The OddsJam arbitrage tool allows you to make risk-free money by identifying opportunities where you can bet on both sides of the market and make a profit no matter what. They also have their positive expected value tool, which identifies bets where one sportsbook has made a mistake when setting their price compared to the rest of the market. Now, OddsJam makes it easy for you to make better betting decisions, and they offer both a 7-day free trial and a 30-day money-back guaranteed. If you want to give them a try, use code MIKE25 to get 25% off your subscription using the link below. Okay, let me share with you how you can apply your trading skills to sports betting. First off, as traders, we put on trades on whether the price of a specific asset, like a company's stock or commodity, will go up or down in value. Now, for sports bettors, they stake their money on the likelihood of an event occurring, a team winning, a specific score, or a specific player's stat. Now, in order to increase the chances of success, both rely on a data-driven approach. Now, traders analyze price charts, company earnings, and catalysts that can drive the asset higher. Sports bettors delve into team and player statistics, historical performance, weather conditions, injuries, and other factors to assist them with their predictions. Also, traders employ proven strategies to make money in specific market conditions, such as buying stocks that are trending upward and selling those that are trending downward. It's the same for sports bettors who use a trend-following strategy to place bets on teams who are on a winning streak or players that have been performing well recently, expecting their positive momentum to continue in the short term. Or stock traders looking for value plays where they seek out company stocks that are trading at a discount to their intrinsic value. And it's the same for value bettors who search for bets where they believe the odds offered by the sportsbook are better than the actual likelihood of the event occurring. Most importantly, to be successful as a trader and as a sports bettor, both focus on risk management, optimizing your gains while minimizing your losses. Now, this is the most important factor in why I believe trading and sports betting are not considered just speculative gambling, because if you take an analytical, data-driven approach to placing high probability trades or bets with a focus on risk, then in the long run, you will be successful. So, as a sports bettor, rather than placing emotional bets on your home team to win, let me share with you 2 ways to make money irregardless of what sport, team, or event that you are betting on. Now, the first way is through arbitrage betting, which is very similar to arbitrage trading. And this is where you try to take advantage of discrepancies in the odds offered by different sports books for the same event in a way that no matter what you bet, you end up making some money. Now, let me use the OddsJam software to help us look for an arbitrage bet example. Now, here's a football bet that involves betting on the total points that will be scored between 2 teams, Louisville and Georgia Tech. Now, there are odds given for under 44.5 points and over 44.5 points scored. The sportsbook Unibet offers odds of -205 for more than 44.5 points scored, while the sportsbook Bet365 offers odds of +225 for less than 44.5 points scored. This is a difference of 20 or 2%, and this is your potential arbitrage profit. So let's say you place 2 bets. One is a $1,000 bet on Unibet for more than 44.5 points scored, and the other is $457.79 on Bet365 for less than 44.5 points scored. Now, no matter what the result is, you will make $30. Now, here's the math. If the total points scored is more than 44.5, your $1,000 bet on Unibet turns into $1,487.80, which is a profit of $487.80. If you deduct the loss of $457.79 on Bet365, you make a total risk-free profit of $30.01. Now, if the total points scored is less than 44.5, your $457.79 bet on Bet365 turns into $1,487.80, which is a profit of $1,030.01. If you deduct the loss of $1,000 on Unibet, you make a total risk-free profit of $30.01. Now, you can see that no matter how many points scored, you made a guaranteed profit. Now, you might be wondering why different sportsbook price their odds differently. And it's just like what I talked about in my previous video about the Bitcoin market, where each crypto exchange quotes a different Bitcoin price. Now, the reason is that there's no centralized exchange, and due to demand or lack of demand on each sportsbook, they will price their odds differently. However, this strategy requires precise calculations and quick execution, as these varying price differences can quickly disappear due to arbitrage bettors looking to take advantage of those price differences. Now, the goal of the arbitrage bettor is to ensure that the combined odds of all bets cover all possible scenarios with a margin for profit. The second way is like in trading, you want to skew the odds in your favor or find your trading edge. In sports betting, it's all about finding the positive EV or expected value in a bet, where over the long run, it will likely result in a profit. Now, this involves looking at favorable odds offered by each sportsbook compared to the actual probability of the outcome occurring. In simple terms, if you repeatedly make bets with positive EV, you're statistically likely to come out ahead over time, even if you might lose some individual bets. Now, let me use the OddsJam software again to help us look for a positive EV bet. Here's a tennis bet on which player will win the match. Now, I have no idea who these 2 players are, but this match has a positive EV of 4.06%. If you bet Nuno Burgess will win the match with the best odds at +144 offered by the sportsbook SXBet. Now you can see that no other sportsbook offers odds higher than plus 144. The positive EV isn't about assessing each player's abilities or statistics, because each player's abilities are already factored into the odds. All you're really doing is betting with the sportsbook who gives you the best odds, and if you place a bet on Nuno Burgess to win at SXBet, you win the most from any sportsbook. So statistically, in the long run, you will come out ahead because you are always playing with the highest odds in your favor. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button and let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on sports betting. I'll see you all in the next video.